Monday, April 8th. Dad's all alone in the shop today. Let's see what's going on. So no Perky.
No, he make it back yet.
Okay, so
Okay, this is the flange that was sent to me, eh?
yeah.
And bring a light here so you can see. Just put it up here. Okay.
Too big.
Not only is it too big, the flange is bolted on the wrong place.
Okay.
So I got to take the flange off, cut it off, or if I can see one, every friggin' thing I need I got to order.
Okay.
Now, if I put this in here, you
Yeah.
have to go from the back. Then I could possibly put this on.
Okay.
But actually, this pipe should have been longer this way. And then I'm gonna have to splice and cut here.
Is it going to be easier for you to take out the motor?
No, I can't take the motor out because I gotta go by the motor mounts.
Okay.
This all has to make it fit.
Okay.
So if I take this flange off, then I can turn the flange to where it's supposed to be, spot it,
Yeah.
and then add a chunk of pipe to this so I can get past the motor mount, put this flex pipe in.
Yeah.
I have to put this in.
Okay. So it's never easy, or as easy as one thinks.
No.
Okay. Well, so that's probably a couple days worth of work there easily.
Well, if I can get the parts, and then I don't know exactly where he wants to run this exhaust out. Here?
Yeah. Well, we can send him the video and he
So
can
you
say.
have to,
Yeah. I'll take a bunch of photos here.
okay.
And there's no other parts. That was it? I thought I saw more.
No, I was short of parts all the way through. I didn't have, the bolts didn't come with the motor mounts underneath.
Yeah.
Got them day before yesterday. I have no studs come with the manifold. And no studs come with the flex plate. And every time I make a move here, I got to order something. And I still got to order a lot of stuff.
Okay. Okay, so this is Dad's Monday.
Like right here, for instance. There has to be a gasket and a cap for that to go over top, eh?
Okay.
Because the exhaust will just come out this way.
Okay. Okay, well, fun with Bombardiers. We just lost our historic theater in town here that was about 90 years old this morning. So we're feeling a little sad about that, and so is the rest of the town.
Here's another thing. The rad mounts on here.
Yeah.
So naturally, the exhaust can't be up here.
Yes.
It has to be below the rad.
Okay. Have we measured that rad to ensure that it's the right size?
Yeah, it's
Yes.
the right
Okay,
one.
good.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, so Prentice is not here. Hopefully back tomorrow. Can help Dad out figuring this out. That's what he's working on right now. And
Once I get that on, then I got to put the fan on and make damn sure I got room for everything.
yeah. But the transmission is in,
And
and the
I'm
brake
waiting.
caliper is in,
waiting for the rotor.
and waiting for the rotor. Okay. And the rotor's already at the machine shop, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And I can't put the rad in until I get the linkage hooked up to I need the rotor.
Yeah.
Then from there, I need to hook up the line to the caliper. And then from there, I got to hook up the brake pedal rod,
Mm-hmm.
and I can't put the brake pedal rod in until after I get it tested and put the rad in. The heater, I should say.
Oh, okay.
Just one thing after another.
So, there it is, guys. A couple guys been asking what kind of engine this is. It's a Ford 306 with...
Ford 300.
Okay, I thought you said 306.
No.
So Ford 300.
With a 3-inch special manifold.
Yeah.
And a 4-barrel Offenhauser intake.
Okay.
We still got to order the
Gaskets?
carburetor.
Oh, the carburetor, right. Okay, so that's what Dad's working on here today. These are, looks like manifold gaskets. Are these the right ones?
Yeah, this is a head gasket, manifold gasket, but I can't put that on until I make sure everything fits.
Okay.
Because once that's bolted up, that's it.
Okay. Yeah.
You got to go one step at a time. You get ahead of yourself, you're taking it off again.
Yeah.
And you can't damage the gasket or you'd be
Well,
buying a new one.
Yeah, then they're about $100, so you don't want to be damaging that. One guy said he thought that you put in the bearings in wrong.
Which bearings?
I guess for this differential.
Yeah, well, the other guy that sent it to me put the bearings in wrong, but they're in right now.
Okay.
Cup goes in, seal goes in first, then the cup, then the bearing on the shaft. If you turn it around, what's the bearing going to run on? No race.
Okay.
This